Charles from South Houston has a question about hurricane repairs.
Yeah, Tom, he suffered this damage during a recent storm that blew through. As you can see, he's lost some siding, and I thought that was vinyl siding, but it's not. It looks like it could be wood or hardy or something.
Yeah, there's some wrap and stuff hanging. It kind of looks like it the way it's so damaged, but it's a harder siding now that I look at it too. Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, Charles writes, a tree hit the house, I guess, during the storm. He says, I have roof and siding and electrical and frame and wall damage. I'm having trouble finding someone I feel I can trust. Where should I start?
Well, you got an issue here that isn't the most common thing. We could say, call Rudy's Quality Painting, call Trifection, some of our certified home show pros. Unfortunately, I don't know if this is an insurance job. If it's an insurance job, there are companies that do this kind of repair work. And so I would, at least with me and my insurance company that I work with, I would actually go to the recommended list of, I have USAA, and talk to them about who they recommend to do the repair work if it's an insurance claim. And I recommend that to everybody because a lot of guys in the business they're just not set up to do insurance claims. They're set up to do regular remodeling and regular payments and loans from banks and that kind of thing. So if it's an insurance claim, talk to your insurance company. You should trust them. You should have a good one. And you should go ahead and work with one of their referred contractors, and I don't have a problem with that at all. If this is just a rebuild and it's a cash out of hand or cash out of pocket project for you, then I would tell you to call someone who's really good. And if it was in this, because it's so extensive here, try Trifection, or even if I can't see the whole project, if it's just this outside part, maybe even Rudy's Quality Painting can handle the structure repair. It's not difficult, but it's time consuming because they're going to have to tear a lot off and redo it. But I have a feeling this one's going to be for insurance, and deal with your insurance company on that.
And that's a good point, Tom. When you bring in somebody from the insurance, your they're going to want somebody that they've already vetted to do that work. And it's like you've said many times, don't second guess the contractor. And I guess in this case, it's don't second guess the insurance company. If they're gonna provide coverage, you have to trust in whom they're sending to you.
Yeah, just make sure that all the numbers work out. Your insurance company's approved it. The contractor says he can get the work done like they're supposed to. It's never 100%. You're going to have some money out of pocket. Whatever your deductible is, you have to deal with that. But here's what people want to do. They want to check from the insurance company, and then they want to go hire a contractor and see how cheap they can get it done and pocket the rest. If you go down that road, I have no advice for you at all, except you're breaking the law. Don't do it. That money should go 100% in the repair of your home. Get the best people and work with everybody on a very honest basis, and you'll come out ahead every time.
Yeah, 4 words: cheat, never beat. All right, you want a good question and a good answer without cheating? Go click on that blue button right there at HomeShowRadio.com. Tom will shoot straight with you. You can send us videos, you can send us pictures. Just go ahead and fill out this form and send it to us. And then wait and see, because what we do is we post a new one of these every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and of course the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, where you will find hundreds and hundreds of videos we've done there. And Tom, there are ones we've done years ago that still get plays today because they answer questions, so you can find them there.